Hello everybody, this is Terry B, and today I have a Niceaccy, very beefy, very heavy lump of steel here. I got this one from Amazon. It wasn't that expensive, I think it was around about £10. 5 keys, that's the keys there. So it is very heavy thing. Very thick sliding shackle on there. Works nicely. And an extremely wide keyway. So just get a tension. Try this one. That should do. Very awkward to hold. I probably should have got the old bigger vise out for this one, but I think we'll go with a short hook because of how wide this keyway is. You can fit basically anything in there. So I'll just tackle those pins with that. See where we go. Might be better off with the flag. My arm's actually shaking because of the weight of this thing. It is very heavy. There we go. And it's open. So that is the extremely heavy Niceaccy hardened solid steel there. Picked open with this short hook here. Yeah. Yeah, I think we'll leave that one there. Thank you for watching everybody, and we'll see you later.